Yes. What's going on, guys? Day Trading Addict here, and I have another great video for you guys. Right now, I'm trading the NAS100 live, guys. Another good video for you guys, and today's video is about how to grow your small account trading the NAS100 using supply and demand. Okay, we're going to talk about that later on in this video. I'm actually in this live trade. I'm looking for the market to go to the lows right now, guys. Hopefully, we get some profit off this trade. And if you look to the left, guys, I'm actually down $120, and that's because I took this trade right here and I took a loss on that trade, which is okay. Now I'm looking for the market to at least give me a nice little 2-to-1 reward on this trade. I might actually get out before the lows, so we will see. But if you're new to my channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, because over here what I do is I help struggling traders get to the next level, and I help advanced traders get to the next level too, because I've been trading for 13 years and I've been trading these markets for 12 years, so I know a lot about the markets, guys. Right now I'm looking to either exit very soon. The market is definitely looking very strong, and I'm going to explain to you guys the reason why I got in this trade right here. I'm looking for some profits. Definitely might move up my profit target soon. But overall, right now, as we speak, the market looks very, very weak. Now, guys, today, even though we're talking about the NAS100, this can work in any market, guys. I'm looking to get out. I'm up right now. I'm actually going to get out right now, guys. I'm getting out right now. So if you look at the P&L, guys, if you look at the P&L, I'm up $121.50. Now, that was a nice little trade. I'm going to show you the reason why I got in the trade, okay? Now, overall, if you look at the market, it's trending up, okay? And we broke the nice channel that we had. It tried to, if you notice, the market tried to go up, try to make a new high. It couldn't. The market was very weak. Sellers came in the market. So if you look at the sellers, right, they came down very hard. So that tells me that the big dogs are selling the market, okay? That's what supply and demand is all about. You want to see smart money come in the market. So the market sold off, created a nice little supply zone. It came back to the zone. I took my, if you look at it, we had a rejection. As soon as it went to the zone, we had a rejection, and then it went down, and then went right back to the zone and created another rejection, guys. That's why that's when I decided to look to get in the market. It sold off. I actually got in a little bit late, but it is what it is. And I was looking for the lows, and if you look at the market, is basically going straight for the lows. But you know, it is what it is, guys. I got a nice little 2-to-1 out of that trade, and what I'm going to do is pause this video, and I'm going to look for another trade, see if I get another trade for you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm actually in this trade right here. If you look at the market, it created a nice supply zone right here, guys. So I'm in this trade. We had a nice little rejection off the zone. So hopefully I get a nice little 1-to-1 off this trade. So far, the selling pressure is pretty good. But like I said before, guys, smart money came in the market, guys. If you look at it, we know that retailers can't push the market down like that. So we want to follow the smart money, guys. We want to follow the big dogs. So we look for the big dogs to come in, and then we wait for price to come back to those zones. We had a nice little rejection off that zone. So I'm in this move right here. Hopefully I get this quick 1-to-1. The market is looking good right now. It's pushing down, guys. It's pushing down. So hopefully everything will work, and I get another quick $100 off this small account. So we just have to wait and see. I'm just adjusting my target, my profit target right now. It's coming down, guys. It's coming down. It's coming down, guys. Let's see. Most likely we should get this. We should get this, guys. There we go. We got it. All right, cool. So if you look at the P&L, guys, if you look at the P&L right now, I'm up $238. and I'm done for the day. Guys. So what I'm going to do is talk about the things you need to do to grow your small account. All right. Now let's talk about 11 things you need to know that will help you grow your trading account. Okay. Number one, guys, treat trading like a business. Yes, trading is a business, guys. You can't come in these markets and start trading and start guessing and saying, you know what, I have a feeling that the market is going to go up, so I'm gonna press buy, or I have a feeling that the market is going down, so I'm gonna press sell. No, guys, no guessing. You can't guess. You have to have a proven strategy. All right, make sure you back test that strategy, and then when you finish back testing, you test out that strategy, guys, and then you follow your system. There's no guessing. You should not be guessing, guys. Please stop it. Don't guess. Don't say, oh man, I have a feeling. No, no feelings. Have a strategy, have a system, and you follow that system. Okay. Number two, trade the best times during the day. All right. Now, if you're day trading like me, all right, you have to trade during the best times. I trade the New York session. The Nasdaq opened around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, and when the market opens, basically a lot of volume come in the market, and that's what we need. As you know, when we trading, guys, we need a lot of volume. So you have to know when to trade, because you don't want to trade during slow times, like during the lunchtime, and the market is slow, and you know, basically the market is chopping back and forth, and you're losing all your money. Okay, so make sure that you're trading the best times during the day. Number three, guys, don't force trades. Please do not force trades. Guys, just because you're bored, or you know, you have some FOMO, guys, don't force trades. Okay, if you want to grow your small account, you cannot afford to force any trades. You have to be like a lion or like a sniper, waiting for the best time to attack, guys. Okay, so only take high quality trades, wait for the high quality trades, and that's it, right? Number four, one bad trade. Okay, what do I mean by one bad trade? Guys, listen. I know everybody that's probably listening to this right now had that one bad trade. Okay, please do not have that one bad trade that will wipe out all of your winners. Okay, because trust me, guys, we all been through it. So when you're growing your small account, you cannot let one bad day wipe out all your gains. All right, guys, you have to understand your cash. Those are your soldiers, right? So if you lose all your cash, right, or you lose all your soldiers, guess what? You're gonna lose a war. So guys, make sure you protect your capital. Right. Number five, guys, no distraction. All right. While you're trading, guys, please do not look at YouTube videos or your Facebook or Instagram, or you know, anything. Please, guys, try not to get distracted while you're trading. Focus on taking the best trades, guys. All right. Number six, have some winners bigger than losers. Notice that I said have some. Now, the reason why I said have some is because you will see a lot of traders on YouTube will tell you, hey man, you know, have a 1 to 3 risk reward on every trade. From my experience, you can't have a 1 to 3 on every trade, because the market doesn't work like that. All right. Okay, so basically you have to understand when to go for those big winners and when not to go for those big winners. Good example today. My first trade actually was a loser, but my second trade was a winner, and that second trade allowed me to basically get in for a nice little 2 to 1. All right, but my third trade, I didn't go for a 2 to 1. All right, I just went for a quick 1 to 1. Notice how it snapped right back. Okay, notice how the trade snapped right back, and I could have either got out for a break even or a loss. We don't know, but overall, guys, you have to understand when to go for a big winner and when to go for a quick 1 to 1. All right. Number 7, do not move your stop loss, guys. Listen, if you're trading and the trade is going against you, who cares? Take a small loss and go on to the next trade, guys. There are plenty of opportunities right after your trade. So stop worrying about that small loss that you're going to take. Guys, listen, my first trade was a small loss. You think I was worrying about that first trade? No. On to the next one, guys. Listen, the reason why successful quarterbacks are able to succeed in the NFL is because when these guys perform, right, and let's say they throw a pass and it's incomplete and they have to go back and throw another pass, they don't say, oh my gosh, I just made an incomplete pass. Man, I hope this pass is going to be a complete pass. No, they don't say that, guys. They forget about the last pass and they just focus on the next pass, right? And that's what you have to do, guys. Don't focus on your last trade. Focus on the trade that you're doing right now, right? Number 8, guys. No overtrading, guys. Please do not overtrade. Most new traders think that if they trade more, they will make more money. Trust me. I wish that was the case, but it's not the case, guys. Especially during the day, there's only, I would say, maybe 2 to 3 high quality trades that you can take per day. So stop thinking that if you take more trades during the day, you're going to make more profits. No, you could actually lose, right? You can be up in the morning time and then you take some trades in the afternoon, and guess what? You're back to break even, or you're down for the day just because you wanted to take more trades. No, guys. Listen, guys, just take your profits. Stop trading for the day. You only need 2 good trades, guys, to make a living. Guys, I only took 3 trades today, all right? My first one was a loser. My second one was a winner. My third one was a winner, right? And I'm up $238. You telling me that you can't survive on $238, okay? And this is a small account. Yes, you could. So stop thinking that you need to trade more. You don't, right? Now, let's go to number 9. Don't be greedy, guys. Stop it. Stop trying to squeeze every pip out of every trade or every tick out of every trade, guys. Just follow your rules. If you need to get out, just get out, all right? Set your profit target, set your stop loss, and get out, all right? Stop being mad every single time when you get out, right? And the market just keeps going up or keeps going down. Good example today. I took this trade, guys, but look, as soon as I got out, the market kept going down. But I'm not going to get mad. I'm not going to say, oh my gosh, I missed all that profit. No. You know why? Because I know if I take 10 trades just like this one, right? I know for a fact that maybe out of those 10 trades, maybe 3 of them is going to run like this, all right? So not every trade is going to run like that. You have to take your profits, guys, all right? Stop being greedy. Number 10, guys. Learn to trade trending and ranging markets. Now, this is a big one because most traders out here, okay, they only know how to trade the trend. They don't understand the ranging markets, okay? Me personally, I'm a day trader, so I have to understand how to trade ranging markets because if I don't, number one, the market's going to chop me up, and number 2, when some days when it's slow, I have to trade these ranging markets, right? So you have to understand how to trade the ranging markets. Even if you don't trade the ranging markets, you still have to understand how they work, all right? You still have to understand how they work, okay? Even if you say, you know what, I'm not going to trade today because it's ranging and it's slow, okay? If you want to do something like that, it's fine. But still, you still have to understand how they work. Believe it or not, you can still trade the ranging markets, okay? So learn how to trade both, okay? Number 11, educate yourself. This is a big one because a lot of you guys will come and watch 1 or 2 videos on YouTube. Now, all of a sudden, you're a pro. You're going in the market with live money, and then you're blowing up. Like, bro, what are you doing? All right? Chill out. Educate yourself. Follow someone that you think that can help you go to the next level. All right? I had to get a mentor and someone to help me because it took me 8 years, guys. I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes for a second and picture yourself losing for 8 years straight. I know some of you guys will probably say, you know what, I'm done. Probably year 2 or year 3 or even year 4 or 5. Some of you guys would probably say, I'm done. I quit. But guys, I kept going. And then I finally said, you know what? Let me get some help. So, I found a couple of guys that used to work on Wall Street, because I used to live in New York. All right. So I found a couple of guys that used to work on Wall Street. And then I actually got some education online too. And then I took that information and combined it with my 13 years of experience, right? But overall, guys, you need to educate yourself. I don't care if you learn from me or you learn from, the next YouTuber. I don't care. Just make sure that person, shows you some type of live trading or something, not just a screenshot, all right? That's why I love to record when I'm trading live, so I can show you guys, listen, this is what I'm doing, all right? I know some of you guys ask me, hey man, do you do one-on-ones or do you have a Telegram group? Right now, guys, to be honest with you, I just started this YouTube channel probably 7 months, 8 months, and I wasn't even paying attention to this YouTube channel. Once in a blue, I will upload some, videos explaining you guys how to, trade the markets. But lately, I've been getting views and people have been hitting me up and say, hey man, are you doing this? Are you doing that? So I said, you know what? Let me decide to make some training videos so I can give you guys exactly what I do, step by step, and I can show you guys what I do and how I'm able to do this Monday to Friday, okay, from home. So I'm working on that right now. But like I said before, I don't care who you learn from, guys. Whoever you learn from, make sure these guys are showing you that, they know what they're talking about, all right? And then you go from there. Because some of you guys are just watching one video, 2 videos on YouTube, and now you think you're a pro. Come on, guys, all right? You have to understand, traders can make more money than doctors and lawyers. All right. So you think you can watch one video and all of a sudden you're a pro now? Come on. Imagine me watching one video on how to do heart surgery, and now I all of a sudden a doctor and I'm doing heart surgery. No. Okay. It doesn't work like that. Right. Overall, guys, you're going to definitely have to put in that work. Like I said before, I'm not one of those guys going to say, hey, man, this thing is easy. All you have to do is press this buy button or press this sell button. No, I'm going to say, listen, once you learn this stuff, okay, keep practicing, put in that work, okay? But once you put in that work, yes, this is doable. Working from home, yes, that's doable. I will tell you that. But I also will tell you, man, you got to put in that work, all right? So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys, and make sure you share this video. Talk to you guys later. I probably won't do another video until probably Tuesday or Wednesday. So if you have any questions, comment below. Okay, comment below, and I will get to all your guys' questions. Have a great day, guys, and talk to you guys later.